Manifesting money starts with a vision and ends with inspired action. David Hargrove. Imagine waking up tomorrow with unexpected wealth. It's not just a dream, it can be your reality. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you the secrets to manifesting money in just 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and techniques you need to attract financial abundance quickly and effortlessly. We'll explore powerful visualization exercises, effective affirmations, and practical steps you can take to remove any mental blocks standing in your way. Get ready to transform your financial situation and unlock the wealth you deserve. Let's look into the ultimate guide to manifesting money in 24 hours. Manifestation is a powerful process where your thoughts and beliefs create your reality. It's the idea that by focusing on positive thoughts and intentions, you can attract the things you desire into your life. This isn't just about wishful thinking, it's about aligning your mindset with your goals. One key principle of manifestation is the law of attraction. This universal law states that like attracts like, meaning the energy you put out into the world is what you get back. If you constantly think about abundance and prosperity, you start attracting those things into your life. On the other hand, if you focus on lack and negativity, that's what you'll draw in. When it comes to manifesting money, the law of attraction plays a crucial role. By maintaining a positive outlook and truly believing that you deserve financial abundance, you can start to see changes in your financial situation. This isn't magic. It's about changing your mindset and energy to align with the wealth you want to attract. As you begin to focus on wealth and opportunities, you'll start noticing them more and more in your everyday life. Having a clear and specific intention is crucial for manifesting money. When your intentions are clear, you send a strong, focused signal to the universe about what you want. This clarity helps you align your thoughts and actions with your goals, making it easier for opportunities to come your way. Vague intentions can lead to mixed results because your energy isn't directed toward a specific outcome. To set a clear intention for manifesting money, let's talk about some steps. Be specific about the amount of money you want to manifest. Instead of saying, "I want more money," state the exact amount, such as, "I want to manifest $1,000. Imagine yourself already having the money. Imagine how it feels, what you would do with it, and how it improves your life. This helps create a vivid mental image that reinforces your intention. Put your intention in writing. This solidifies your commitment and serves as a constant reminder of your goal. Write it in the present tense, as if it's already happening. For example, "I am so grateful for the $1,000 I have manifested." Connect with the emotions associated with achieving your goal. Feel the excitement, relief, and joy as if you have already received the money. Emotions amplify the power of your intention. Keep your intention at the forefront of your mind. Regularly remind yourself of your goal and stay positive. Avoid letting doubts or negative thoughts creep in, as they can disrupt your manifestation process. By setting a clear and specific intention, you align your energy with your financial goals, making it easier for the universe to bring you the abundance you seek. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your financial goals. By creating a mental image of your desired outcome, you engage your subconscious mind, which helps turn your dreams into reality. When you visualize your financial success, you send a clear message to the universe about what you want, aligning your thoughts and actions with your goals. To harness the power of visualization, imagine yourself already in possession of the money you wish to manifest. Picture the details vividly: the amount, where it is, and how it feels to have it. This practice helps reinforce your intentions and keeps you focused on your goal. Now let's go through a guided visualization exercise. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to relax your mind and body. Imagine yourself holding the amount of money you want to manifest. Feel its presence in your hands. Picture the bills or coins, their texture, and their weight. See yourself using this money. Maybe you're paying off debts, buying something special, or saving it. Visualize each scenario in detail, making it as real as possible. Experience the joy, relief, and gratitude that come with having this money. Let these positive emotions fill your entire being, amplifying your intention. Silently repeat affirmations such as, "I am financially abundant," or "I attract wealth effortlessly." These affirmations reinforce your visualization and help cement your belief in your ability to manifest money. By regularly practicing this visualization exercise, you keep your financial goals at the forefront of your mind, making it easier to attract the money you desire. Affirmations are positive statements that help you overcome negative thoughts and self-doubt, reinforcing your belief in your ability to achieve your goals. In the context of manifestation, affirmations play a crucial role in reprogramming your mind to attract wealth and abundance. By regularly repeating these statements, you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance, opening yourself up to new opportunities. Now we're going to look at some powerful money affirmations that can help you attract wealth. Are you ready? Let's dive in. I am a magnet for money. Prosperity is drawn to me. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I deserve to make money and enjoy financial freedom. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am financially abundant and I am grateful for it. I attract money in expected and unexpected ways. My finances improve beyond my wildest dreams. I am worthy of all the wealth I desire. Using these affirmations is simple and powerful. Let's talk how you can incorporate them into your daily routine. Begin each morning by reciting your affirmations out loud. This sets a positive tone for the day and keeps your financial goals in focus. Keep a journal where you write your affirmations daily. This practice helps reinforce your intentions and solidifies your commitment to attracting wealth. Place sticky notes with your affirmations around your home or workspace. Seeing them regularly will remind you of your financial goals and keep you motivated. During your meditation sessions, silently repeat your affirmations. This helps deepen your connection to your intentions and enhances the manifestation process. Before going to bed, recite your affirmations once more. This will help you end your day on a positive note and keep your mind focused on abundance as you sleep. By consistently using these affirmations, you align your thoughts and actions with your financial goals, paving the way for greater wealth and prosperity. To manifest money effectively, it's crucial to identify and remove mental blocks that might be standing in your way. These blocks are often rooted in negative beliefs and past experiences that limit your ability to attract wealth. Common mental blocks include thoughts like, "I don't deserve to be wealthy," "Money is the root of all evil," or "I will never have enough money." Recognizing these blocks is the first step towards overcoming them. Overcoming these blocks requires a combination of techniques and practices that help reprogram your mind for success. Let's explore some powerful methods to clear these obstacles and open the path to abundance. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. When you catch yourself thinking negatively about money, consciously switch to a positive thought. For example, change "I can't afford this" to "I will find a way to afford this." Cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Regularly acknowledge and appreciate the money and abundance you already have, no matter how small it may seem. This shifts your focus from lack to abundance, attracting more of what you appreciate. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your financial goals. Imagine the freedom, security, and joy that come with financial abundance. This helps reinforce your belief in your ability to achieve these goals. Use affirmations specifically designed to overcome money blocks. Phrases like, "I am worthy of financial success," "I attract wealth with ease," and "I am open to receiving abundance" can help shift your mindset. Practice mindfulness to become aware of your thoughts and feelings about money. Meditation can help you stay centered and focused, reducing anxiety and fostering a positive outlook on your financial situation. Educate yourself about money management and financial growth. Knowledge empowers you to make better financial decisions and reduces the fear and uncertainty that often accompany financial blocks. Spend time with people who have a positive attitude towards money and success. Their energy and mindset can inspire and influence you to think more positively about your own financial potential. By actively working to identify and remove these mental blocks, you create a clearer path for financial abundance to flow into your life. Remember, your mindset plays a pivotal role in your ability to manifest wealth, and with the right techniques, you can transform your financial reality. Taking inspired action is a crucial part of manifesting money. While positive thinking and visualization set the foundation, it's your actions that bring your financial goals into reality. Inspired action means taking steps that feel right and align with your intentions. These actions should be motivated by a sense of purpose and excitement rather than fear or desperation. To truly manifest money, you need to combine your mental and emotional work with practical steps. Here are some actionable steps you can take to start attracting financial abundance. Define specific, measurable financial goals. Whether it's saving a certain amount of money, paying off debt, or generating additional income, having clear goals gives you direction and motivation. Establish a budget that tracks your income and expenses. This helps you manage your money effectively, ensuring you have a clear picture of your financial situation and can make informed decisions. Be open to new opportunities to earn money. This could be through a side hustle, freelance work, or investing in something you're passionate about. Keep your eyes and mind open to possibilities around you. Connect with like-minded individuals and professionals who can support your financial goals. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights and advice. Consider taking courses or gaining new skills that can increase your earning potential. Personal and professional development can lead to higher income and more financial opportunities. Regularly acknowledge and appreciate the financial progress you make, no matter how small. Gratitude keeps you focused on the positive and attracts more reasons to be thankful. Generosity can create a flow of abundance in your life. Donating your time, resources, or money, even in small ways, can create positive energy and attract more wealth. Keep your financial documents and records organized. This not only helps you stay on top of your finances, but also reduces stress and confusion, making it easier to focus on your goals. Sometimes, stepping out of your comfort zone is necessary to achieve financial growth. Evaluate risks carefully and take bold steps when the potential rewards align with your goals. Regularly visualize yourself achieving your financial goals. This practice reinforces your intentions and keeps you motivated to take the necessary actions. By taking these inspired actions, you move closer to your financial goals with confidence and clarity. Remember, every small step you take builds momentum and brings you one step closer to manifesting the financial abundance you desire. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to attract more abundance into your life. When you are grateful for what you already have, you shift your focus from lack to abundance. This change in perspective opens the door for more positive experiences and wealth to flow into your life. Gratitude sends a clear message to the universe that you appreciate and value what you have, encouraging more of the same to come your way. To integrate gratitude into your daily routine, start by taking a few moments each day to reflect on the things you are thankful for. This could be anything from the roof over your head to the small acts of kindness you experience. Write them down in a gratitude journal and feel the genuine appreciation for each item. By regularly practicing gratitude, you keep your mind focused on the positive aspects of your life, making it easier to attract more of what you desire. Maintaining positivity is equally important in keeping a high vibration, which is essential for manifesting wealth. Here are some tips to help you stay positive and maintain a high vibration. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Positive energy is contagious and can greatly influence your mindset and outlook. Limit negative influences. Be mindful of the media you consume and the conversations you engage in. Limit exposure to negativity and seek out uplifting and motivational content instead. Practice mindfulness. Stay present and fully engage with each moment. Mindfulness helps you appreciate the here and now, reducing anxiety about the future and regret about the past. Use positive affirmations. Regularly repeat affirmations that reinforce your positive mindset and financial goals. Statements like, "I am worthy of abundance," and "I attract prosperity," keep your thoughts focused on success. Take care of your health. Physical well-being impacts your mental and emotional state. Eat healthily, exercise regularly, and get enough rest to maintain high energy levels and a positive outlook. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate every achievement, no matter how small. This practice boosts your confidence and motivation to continue striving for your goals. Help others. Acts of kindness and generosity can elevate your mood and vibration. Helping others creates a sense of fulfillment and reinforces the flow of positive energy. Engage in activities you love. Spend time doing things that bring you joy and satisfaction. Whether it's a hobby, spending time in nature, or connecting with loved ones, engaging in pleasurable activities keeps your spirits high. By cultivating gratitude and maintaining a positive mindset, you create an environment where abundance can thrive. Your high vibration attracts wealth and opportunities, leading you toward the financial success you desire. Let's recap what we've covered in this video to manifest money in just 24 hours. We started by understanding what manifestation is and how the law of attraction plays a crucial role in attracting wealth. We then discussed the importance of setting clear and specific intentions and explored powerful visualization techniques to bring your financial goals to life. We looked at effective affirmations to reprogram your mind for abundance and how to identify and overcome mental blocks that might be holding you back. We emphasized the necessity of taking inspired action towards your goals and shared practical steps to get started. We talked about the importance of gratitude and maintaining a positive mindset to keep your vibration high and attract more abundance into your life. Now it's time for you to take these insights and start applying them in your daily life. Begin with setting your clear intention. Practice visualization and affirmations. Take actionable steps towards your goals and cultivate gratitude and positivity. Your financial transformation is just around the corner. Thank you for watching. Remember, wealth is within your reach, and it starts with your mindset. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content on manifesting abundance and achieving your dreams. Together, let's create a life of prosperity and joy.